Hi YouTube, bringing you guys another video on this Wednesday, January 8th, 2025. Uh, just got a text alert from the county that there's a lot of fires going on, and they're not lying. This is Eagle Rock of LA, and the sky is totally gray. That's not clouds, that's smoke from fire near in Altadena. That's near Pasadena here north of us. I was on my way to go some. I don't know why I'm stuttering. I was on my way to go do deliveries in the area that I usually do deliveries at, but I think I'm gonna go stick around my neighborhood or go to the opposite side because behind me, you could see blue skies, but straight ahead where I usually hang out for my deliveries, that's all smoke up there. You could behind me, you could see a little bit of peak behind those trees. You could see a little blue sky because over there there's no fires. Um, I think I'm gonna. I don't even want to get out of the car here. Even where I live, I could smell the smoke, and my car was covered with ashes. Cause I live about maybe 8 miles south of Pasadena. So I mean, you could when there's like a big fire, you could see the smoke, and you could smell it and breathe it and everything. So um, I think I'm gonna get out of this area and go try delivery somewhere else today. I mean, maybe try out a new area. Maybe it'll be, and maybe it'll be a good area for me. Who knows? But I'm gonna try to get out of here in a bit. There's also another fire in Malibu that's still going on, but that's about maybe 30 miles from me. So it's way on the opposite side of where I live. So yeah, that's all smoke up in the sky here. I think a lot of schools in the area closed today. I just noticed this is like a little school or something, and it's totally empty right now. I do have some friends that live up in the Pasadena area. They got evacuated last night, and they're safe right now. But my neighborhood is safe. I mean, the fires are up in the mountains, near the mountains. I don't live near the mountains, but still, I mean, there's a lot of smoke in my neighborhood, and I've seen a lot of people around my neighborhood walking down the street wearing, those masks because the smoke is, pretty bad. Last night we had a lot of winds going on too. I mean, the worst was like in the middle of the night. I saw a lot of trees when I was doing deliveries last night. A lot of trees fell down because the winds were like up to 50 miles an hour. Though the gusts, the gusty winds. So yeah, all the smoke, it's heading west. Yeah, I was hoping I would get at least a delivery in this area. At least that's going to the opposite side of the area where there's no smoke. But I'm not seeing anything worth taking right now. Rody has two deliveries for Home Depot, but the miles are not worth taking. So let me know if you guys have heard about the fires going on here in LA. There's been a fire going on for about a week over in the not maybe not a week, maybe a couple of days, maybe 3 days over in the Pacific Palisades area. That's right on the ocean. That's right next to Malibu. So yeah, the problem with the winds here in this county is that when there's strong winds, a lot of these power lines end up falling, and that creates a fire. The good thing my neighborhood did not have a power outage, but a lot of areas in my neighborhood had a power outage last night. But I think the city moved in quick, and they were able to fix it right away. About 2 years ago, around this time, we didn't have any power at my house because the same reason, because of the strong winds. And the strong winds, we were with no power with 2 days. I mean, for 2 days we didn't have power, and it doesn't get that cold in LA. I mean, you just gotta use thick blankets at night. But the problem was, showering without a heater. I mean, that was no fun. And for 2 days I had to do that, and it was no fun. Yeah, the guy that just walked by right now, I don't know if the camera caught him or not. I wasn't paying attention. He was wearing a mask. I don't know if the camera caught it or not, but yeah, that's how bad the smoke is out here. But yeah, I hope at least I get one delivery heading towards the other side, but nothing is coming in right now. I got all the apps running right now, and I don't like it when DoorDash pauses my shift. It's not really my fault that they're not sending deliveries. So when I'm sitting here waiting for deliveries and they're not sending anything, they I'm on other apps, and when I go back to DoorDash, I see my shift paused. And then if I don't notice it, then if the timer expires after 35 minutes, then I try to go back in and it says that the shift expired, and I never canceled it. I mean, they paused me, and then they logged me out. Yeah, I'm just looking at the road app. Look at this. Two deliveries for $19 going 14 miles. It says 48 minutes, but it takes longer because you got to go inside the store and wait. Sometimes I don't have the product ready, and up there where it's going, that's where most of the smoke is. I'm down here in the blue dot. Pasadena's right there. So all this area up here, Altadena, that's the area that's burning. So I'm down right here. So I'm not that far from Pasadena. This is the area I want to be at. Maybe further south, get away from this, either south or maybe over here towards the west. So I'll figure something out. So yeah, this is supposed to be our rainy season, but now we need the rain. Now I wish it rained so it could help out all the firefighters fighting all these fires and stuff. I mean, that rain would come in handy. So I appreciate all the firemen out there that are working hard to keep us safe from these fires. All the city crews and everything, restoring power. I mean, I appreciate all those people that work hard around the clock. I mean, they work 24 hours a day. Well, not literally, but I mean, like the service is 24 hours a day. And without those people, we wouldn't have any power, or they wouldn't be able to fight all these fires and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of this area. I mean, I could feel the smoke when I talk. I guess through the vents it could come in. So I'm gonna try to get out of here, and I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys next time.